In this video, we'll give you a quick demo of Zolmi.
Hi, my name is Bartek, and I'm a founder of Zolmi Salon Software. I'm very happy that you've decided to go on this software tour with me. In the next couple of minutes, I'm going to be running through the most common functions of Zolmi that you would normally see in the day-to-day operations of your salon or spa business. So, without further ado, let's start booking. If I want to add a booking, I simply click on a time slot in the calendar. Then I can select the client, choose a walk-in, or add details for a new client. Then I just pick a service requested by the client. I can also add more services, appointment notes, or adjust the service duration if I need it. When it's time to complete the payment, I click on the appointment and hit the button Checkout. Here I can add a tip for my staff, adjust service prices, or add extra items like retail products, memberships, or gift cards. When I'm ready to finalize the transaction, I simply click on Pay, or I can also save the bill unpaid. To complete the payment, I can choose from client deposits, gift cards, or pick a payment method that works best for the client. On this occasion, I'll go with cash. Once the payment is completed, I can print the receipt on my receipt printer or email it directly to my client. It's quick and easy. If I need to make a fast booking or sell a product or just block time in my calendar, I use the quick add button above my calendar. It saves time and keeps things simple. With Zolmi, I can easily access all my client details all in one place. For example, check their booking history, track deposits and prepayments, manage memberships, add or check client notes, overview purchase history. I can also have easy access to pre-treatment forms that my clients completed online or in Salon. To reduce no-shows and late cancellations, I set up automated client notifications, like appointment reminders or booking confirmations. It's a great way to keep my clients engaged while protecting my schedule. Another way Zolmi allows me to protect my revenue is by taking payments for online booking and accepting deposit payments in Salon. When it comes to online payments, I have the option to collect full payments, take deposits, or just save card details for future bookings. Payments go straight into my Stripe account, making the process smooth for both me and clients. And I can manage all my payments directly from my Zolmi account. I also offer gift cards directly on my booking page, as it's a great way to attract new clients or encourage repeat visits. Managing my stock is really straightforward with Zolmi. I can add and sell products, track their usage, place orders, accept deliveries, and even run stock counts. Zolmi makes it easy for my clients to book appointments anytime, anywhere. They can self book 24/7 via my professional online profile, personalized booking page, or mobile app. Zolmi also helps me stay connected with my clients. I can set up auto campaigns for events like client birthdays or booking reminders, or send out SMS blasts to promote offers and events. When I need to check my business performance, Zolmi's reporting tools have everything covered. I can view sales and payment transactions, expenses, staff performance and payroll, or track my cash with end of day report. Google Boost is one of my favorite features. This is how Zolmi helps me grow my brand on Google. When clients give me positive feedback, Zolmi sends them directly to my Google profile. When I need quick access to Zolmi's most popular features, I just use the menu at the top of my calendar. The same goes for the client lookup. I hope you have enjoyed this tour with me and that you will consider Zolmi for your salon or spa business. As always, feel free to drop us a line via live chat. We're happy to help and would love to know what it is that you need. Thanks for watching and happy bookings with Zolmi.
That concludes the Zolmi demo. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the comments section below. If you are new to Zolmi and would like to receive a 14-day free trial, scan the QR code on the screen now. To get the latest Zolmi updates on YouTube, subscribe to our channel and then click on the notification bell.